Located in one of the prime locations of Victoria Island, Lagos in Nigeria, harnessing the magical coast of the Atlantic, Paramount Twin Towers by Grenadines are centering an evolving community that offers endless opportunities, neighboring some of the most renowned destinations in the city. Paramount Twin Towers, the luxurious residential 13-story haven by the Atlantic, feature world-class amenities and social areas including a department store, gourmet cafes, and restaurants. The towers also include 24-hour security-guarded gates and an ample parking area extending over 3 stories, offering a capacity of more than 500 vehicles. While the third-floor podium is a public area that includes an outdoor pool in a spacious social lounge, a fully equipped gym, a premium playground, and a wide range of residential apartments extending up to the 13th floor, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, maisonettes, spacious studio apartments, and 1 bedroom. The rooftop has a public terrace and 2 state-of-the-art jacuzzi tubs.